Are you ready? Hang on. 5 signs that the law of attraction is working for you. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals, reminding you to be sure and subscribe to this channel because we're here 5 days a week to empower your life with the law of attraction, the mind sciences, and ancient wisdom. And always click that bell icon because we go live from time to time. And when we do go live, you will be notified. Okay, let's get on with it. 5 signs that the law of attraction is working for you. You know, high flyers, oftentimes people will say, I don't see anything, Robert. Nothing's changed yet. I've been doing this for 2 whole weeks and nothing has changed yet. But things are always changing. Everything is always moving. Everything is always shifting in the universe. Nothing is stagnant. So things are changing. Reality is shifting. You may not see it yet, but it is taking place. Now, the question is it moving in the direction of your dreams and goals or in the opposite direction? And so these 5 signs that the law of attraction is working. Well, high flyers, the law of attraction is always working. But the real question is it working in alignment with your dreams and your goals? So number 1 is absolute certainty. Absolute certainty or complete faith. You've reached a state where you wake up in the morning, you take a deep breath, and you go, I just know. I feel it within my gut. I'm absolutely certain. I have complete faith that the intention that I have written down, the intention of my deepest desires, is now manifesting into my life. And so when you operate from that sense of just complete knowingness, it's a wonderful experience because that's when the universe really starts to kick up the manifestation. In other words, the universe absolutely loves absolute certainty because absolute certainty or deep faith sends a clear, concise message of what you intend to manifest in your life. And you don't have any doubts about it. You're not worried about it. You're not concerned about it. You maybe haven't seen any physical evidence yet, but that doesn't matter because you are certain. You are filled with total and complete faith. The second big sign is that for some crazy reason, you no longer are operating from a state of need. Everything has changed within you, and that's probably because of the absolute certainty. But now you're not walking around going, I need to pay the rent. I need to pay my car payment. I need to get more money. I need my relationship back. I need this specific person. You're no longer operating from need or want. You're operating from I have. It is. I am. It's a wonderful sense of complete certainty. I am abundant. I am attracting all the money that I desire. You know, that I am statement is so powerful. And high flyers, if I can get you to use that and write up 50 of them as they relate to your intention. 50 I am statements or we are or it is. In other words, present tense. Now it is happening. I see it everywhere. I feel it within me. I'm absolutely certain. So I no longer need to operate from a state of need. I was reading a post on the internet today, and the lady says, probably in this post 3 or 4 times, we're so broke. We're so broke. What does broke mean? Let's analyze the word for a minute. Broke means that you are broken, that you are destitute, that you are no longer able to function because you're broken. Okay, that's what broke really, really means. And so when you use language like that, you are attracting more of what you don't want in your life. But when you've reached that point where you no longer use that language, it's no longer a part of who you are, you're no longer operating from a state of need or want, or I hope, you know. You know what I'm talking about. When you're operating from that position where you just say, I am, it is, we are. That's a wonderful place, and that's a certain sign. That's an absolutely certain sign that you are manifesting your deepest desires and goals. Next, you have decided to change your life. It's not just about getting something. I want to get this. I want to get that. It's I am redesigning who I am, what I am becoming. My old beliefs of poverty, of lack, they're gone. I'm no longer operating from those beliefs anymore. I'm not operating from the belief that my relationship is over with, it's done. I'm operating from the belief that abundance and love and prosperity are present all the time, 24 hours a day, for eternity. I just have to tap into that. I have to accept that because I'm not going to live in my old beliefs. And because my old beliefs had habits that went with them, maybe smoking, drinking, drugs, complaining, overeating, lack of exercise, all of that kind of stuff. I am moving out the old beliefs and I'm pulling in newer, high vibrational ways of living. I'm moving, I'm exercising, I'm listening to optimistic programs. I am empowering my life in every way, shape, or form. I'm becoming more loving, more passionate. And I'm not just loving with myself. I'm not just loving with those I love. I'm loving the world. I'm living in a sea, in an ocean of gratitude. I'm just feeling that absolute vibration raise daily within me. And I love the way I feel. And this, high flyers, listen to me. This is an absolute sign that the intention that you wrote down, your deepest desire, your deepest intention is manifesting in your life. Well, next, you just feel more connected to life, to your life. You wake up knowing again who you are. It's like when you were a little kid, you knew who your body was and who you were. I mean, you may not have known completely because you were a child, but you were in your body. You were totally there, totally present. And that's the way it is now. That's a huge sign. You're more connected to life. You're connected to the universe. You're connected to the stars. You're connected to the sky, the ocean, the earth. You're connected to the fires and passions of life. You're connected to your family. You're connected to your friends. And that connection, it just seems to grow and grow and grow. And this is one of the ways that you're building incredible teams and relationships. And you're doing and setting yourself up for wonderful achievement, wonderful manifestation. This is an incredible sign that good things are really coming your way. And finally, you've reached a state of what I call Gnosis. Now, we used to do a lot of deep meditative work in our temple years ago, our Golden Dawn temple, and it was sometimes we would do it for 24 hours. And we would go in, and when we came out, we'd walk out and we'd look at each other and we'd go, because there was nothing we could say. You couldn't say, what was your experience like? Because your experience was beyond words. Your experience right now is beyond words. Some people call it the zero limits zone. Other people call it Gnosis. I'm going to tell you what I call it. When you reach that point, when you just cannot express where you're at, but everything is flowing, everything is falling into place. Your mind is thinking the right thoughts. Your body is feeling the right feelings. Your energy field is just vibrating with passion and life and energy and excitement and joy. When you're in that state, you are manifesting beyond your wildest dreams. This is the biggest sign of all. I don't care what you call it. You can call it Zen. You can call it Gnosis. You can call it now. I call it, oh yeah. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.